What's up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Man, oh man, I got something great for you today right here on Sugar Fingers. Yes, indeed. Your girl finally got the nails done, and check them out. Yes. Y'all, today I just want to send a big shout out to Double Dip. They sent me, oh my gosh, this amazing polygel kit. It's the Bellavena Polygel kit. It's an all-in-one starter kit. Y'all, let me share with you these amazing items in here. It's loaded with everything that you need and more. Yes, indeed. I said more because y'all know I did a number on these nails. Let me just show you everything that's in the kit, and you are going to be amazed. So, beautiful babes, yes, we have the Bellavena Premium Polygel Nail Starter Kit. This is called the Fresh Start Edition. I think it's perfect for springtime. It has all of these beautiful shades of polygel in it, and I am so impressed. The first item I'm showing here is a bonus piece, which are the golden designs. And of course, we have to have the instructions, which I'll just set those aside for now. And then next up, let's do so many good things. This is the Bellavena Gel Base Coat. We have the Bellavena Top Coat, and then the Slip Solution, which is here. And let's see. Oh yes, we do have our double-sided spatula and brush, which is right here. Very nice, very nice. I like that. It's pretty firm and great. That's really cute. We also have a grit nail file. And we also have here, check this out, 100 dual forms right here. And then we get glitters. Yes, we get 2 bonus nail glitters for making designs. And we have a mini nail lamp, a portable nail lamp as well. All of this, and let me just show you the amazing colors. I've already swatched them for you. Right here, beautiful pink shade, a nice green, seafoam green, this glitter clear gel color. And then we have this bubblegum pink shade along with a beautiful sunlight bright yellow, and then a nice teal green. And honey, I love this. These are so nice here. These are actually the golden designs, which I am definitely going to try those out. Now let me show you how I whip these nails into shape. Y'all better watch me. I know I'm not a professional nail tech, but I'm getting good at this stuff. Let's do this.
It's not hard to fool me, 'cause I'm addicted to the good life. Yeah, either way I follow, no need to say where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all, to the edge of it all. So tell your good lies, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Yeah, susceptible now before the moment flies. Ooh, so tell your good lies, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Ooh, susceptible now before the moment flies. It's not a problem, 'cause I know what I'm getting in. stop me. No. 'Cause I'm addicted to what you and I realize. Lead the way, I follow. No need to say where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all. So tell your good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Yeah, susceptible now, before the moment flies, before it flies. So tell your good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Susceptible now, before the moment flies. In this moment, yes, I cannot say what's wrong or right. No, it's not hard to fool me. No, 'cause I'm addicted to the good life. Yes, yeah, lead the way, I follow. No need to say where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all, to the edge of it all. So tell your good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Yeah, susceptible now, before the moment flies. Ooh, so tell your good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Ooh, susceptible now, before the moment flies. It's not a problem. tell you good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what, yeah. Susceptible now, before the moment flies. Ooh, so tell you good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Ooh, susceptible now, before the moment flies. It's not a problem, no, 'cause I know what I'm getting into. Yes, yeah, and nothing can stop me. No, 'cause I'm addicted to what you and I realize. Lead the way, I follow. No need to say where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all. So tell you good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what, yeah. Susceptible now, before the moment flies, before it flies. So tell you good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Susceptible now, before the moment flies. Yeah, yeah. In this moment, yes, I cannot say what's wrong or right. No, it's not hard to fool me. No, 'cause I'm addicted to the good life. Yes, yeah, lead the way, I follow. No need to say where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all, to the edge of it all. So tell you good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what, yeah. Susceptible now, before the moment flies. Ooh, so tell you good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Ooh, susceptible now, before the moment flies. It's not a problem, no, 'cause I know what I'm getting into. Yes, yeah, and nothing can stop me. No, 'cause I'm addicted to what you and I realize. Lead the way, I follow. No need to say where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all. So tell you good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what, yeah. Susceptible now, before the moment flies, before it flies. So tell you good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Susceptible 'cause I'm addicted to the good life. Yeah, lead the way. I follow. No need to say where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all. To the edge of it all. So tell your good lies, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Yeah, susceptible now before the moment flies.
So now I am just applying the cuticle oil. This is the final step, and here are the nails. I think they turned out quite well. Y'all know I am not a professional nail technician, so honey, you know, some imperfections may be there. That's because of me, but this polygel from Double Dip was so easy to work with. Again, this is the Bellavena Polygel kit, and I think they're super beautiful. I think this is beautiful. It's beautiful for spring. It's beautiful for your Easter nails. It's just befitting of the times. All of these colors blend together perfectly. I love the glitters. I loved the nice decal gold bling that they sent along with it. Again, amazing. Yes, check me out on TikTok, Sweet Angel Sugar Fingers, right there. All right, beautiful babes. Oh, and yes, let me remind you of the 10% discount off of your entire order, Sugar 10. There you go. All right, beautiful babes, that is it. I hope you love the nails as much as I do. And I do want to thank Double Dip for sharing these beautiful, oh my gosh, polygels with me. Bellavena Polygel kit here. Amazing. And beautiful babes, that is it for this time around right here on Sugar Fingers. Please stay in the know with me. Subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and yes, you'll be notified each and every time I got a good one over here for you. Absolutely. And I will see you all on the next one. Remember, keep those hands looking gorgeous.